single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello people. We are in the car. Martine and me. Our Berlingo. The last drive. It's dark. You can't almost see us, but this is how we're gonna drive there in the dark to get a new car. So I see you guys there. You're gonna be surprised. Yes, we arrived. So
yeah, it's goodbye. It's goodbye
to the old car. And we are here for the new one. Let's go. Hallo, hallo.
Goedenavond.
Hoe is het ermee? Mag je erop staan?
Ja.
Ja, goed.
Overal, goedenavond. Voilà.
We zijn hier, we komen achter onze nieuwe wagen. Hè.
De nieuwe machine.
Yes, yes.
Het staat klaar.
Ah, wow. So this is the new car. Let's have a look. It's a little bit bigger than the Berlingo. So this is the car we're gonna drive for the next 20 years. We drove 18 years with the Berlingo, so that's a long time. So now we're, we changed to this. It's time for something new in our life, so let's have a look.
Perfect.
How it all works.
I'm gonna change the license plates.
Yes,
So
okay.
I'm gonna take them from the Berlingo and put them on.
That's cool, okay.
And then give some
Papers from the old car.
Okay.
So, and the key, very important.
Very important.
Yes.
Do you have the second part?
Oh.
That's part 1. Normally there's also part 2. With the part you should keep at home. I don't know if you have it.
Yeah, I think it must be somewhere.
Because we can't
At
sell
home.
the car without the second
Yeah,
part.
I know. I have a look. I bring it tomorrow.
Yeah.
So I have a reason to drive the new one again.
Voilà. Perfect.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah, very happy.
I hope so.
It's the first time you see it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I saw
well,
the other.
We have been here before, and your mother has helped us. And she showed her car, and I tested her car because she couldn't find the keys of this one.
Yeah.
And we fell in love with it. So
This is the first look I have.
yeah, so we had seen it but closed.
Yeah.
So that's why I came back, and then you showed it to me, and it was all love.
So these are the two keys.
Yes,
If you want to
alright.
have a look already, so two of the same one. To close, to open, and this one is for the boot. You have to keep pressing it, and it goes up.
Keep pressing, yeah.
Yes. Also to close, keep pressing
Okay. Yeah.
until it is closed.
Ah, cool. Okay, that's great. Nice.
I'm gonna change the license plate.
So one spare one and one to use. Check these keys, guys. So nice. And you're
Yes. It's a
Happy?
new episode in
Oh, and
our-
I'm not
in
wearing
our
my
lives.
mask, actually. I
No,
forgot.
you forgot. It's
everybody's looking at me like,
Yeah.
what the fuck is that dude doing? I'm gonna
stress. It's a stress situation.
I'm gonna put it on.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I forgot it all the way.
You're not used to it, so it's not.
Can you
not a
hold
problem.
this and
Yeah.
film me?
So,
So, yeah,
yeah.
with a
Mask on.
sorry guys, but we were used of not using a mask anymore. And yeah, suddenly it all changes again, and then you forget to use it. But okay, nothing happened. Everybody had a mask on. I didn't, so that's great. So we have two keys.
This is an old car. Unbelievable.
It's open, so you can
For the next
have a sit
coming
if you like.
20 years.
I hope you can get in. Just
Just pull it.
yeah, I think it's open. So
Whoa. Ah, look at the steps.
so yeah, look,
Nice.
light room. So it looks like
Amazing.
nice
really.
inside there. So go in, go in, go in. Are you scared to get in or?
Yeah. I'm scared to make it dirty, so I will try it.
Special black wood. Burmeister sound system.
Jesus.
Look how you look. You look actually good in this car.
For an old girl.
Yeah. For an old girl, yeah. So we have the displays down there. We have the steering wheel, very important. Without the steering wheel we can't drive.
Yeah.
And then you have also...
That was amazing.
Yeah, it's amazing, it's unbelievable. You didn't see it like that inside. So we have this,
I'm scared to touch it.
in the back. Hmm?
I'm scared to touch it.
Scared to touch anything, yeah. Well, you have to get used to that, so...
Yeah, I have to touch this.
Huh?
Yes. Want to start you have to if you have it, it's okay. You can open it by pushing on the start.
Huh?
With your leg.
Oh,
You open it. Just
alright.
one sweep.
Swift
It's
and
the same.
sweep.
To close also one, and you close it.
Okay.
This one is for the how you say it in English?
Yeah, the pull...
Yeah. Watch out if you want to close it with your foot. I did it once.
Bang!
Bang. Not good.
You hurt yourself.
Here you have the
Electricity?
piece.
Yeah, alright.
This is just the
Yeah.
caps.
Safe. Oh, yeah.
Safety cap.
Back also.
Okay, so...
This one is to close or to stop.
Yeah.
And this one is to close the trunk and close the car. So if you leave it, just push that button and you can leave the car, it closes itself.
Oh, okay.
Here you have the, you can take it out also. Just by this, you take it out, put back, just slide it, little push and it's back. You can lower the trunk with the air suspension by this button.
Ah, okay.
If you pull it, it flashes and now it's gonna lower the back. It doesn't work when there is a door open. Then it doesn't work. So
Everything has to be closed of doors and then you can actually... Oh, it's low.
I know it's low.
Yeah.
So it's easier to put something in. Then here we have the net. You can put in the back of the seats if you have a dog or something that jump in front.
Safety net.
Safety net
For the dog or for some luggage. That's it.
People you kidnap, you can actually... they don't come to you.
If you say so. Then here we have the
Joke.
the head-up display.
Yeah, you can also
out.
stay on. Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
It's on the screen there, everything. Can you see it from there? I don't think so.
No, you have to put it right in front.
You have to be right in front of it, so... The head-up display. I'm not sure if it's gonna film also. Oh, there it is. You see, there's the head-up display.
It's not easy to get on camera.
Yeah, it's difficult, but I think it's there. Yeah, not like this, but like this, it's there, I guess.
Yeah, you can change the height because it depends on your sitting position.
Yeah.
Someone who's a little bit smaller can't see it and has to adjust the height.
All right.
So then I think I said most.
Yeah, most of the things I have to know.
There are still a lot more because I can't talk for another hour, but I think
We can discover it by ourselves.
And I never drove a car before. Can you explain how I do that? Yeah.
You can say, sit next to me.
Yeah, I will.
Put it out.
Yeah, I will have a look how you do it. So it's great.
Oh, kan je naar binnen gaan stralen? Okay, here we go.
We're driving outside, so.
Okay. Here we go. Oh.
Oh, that's better. Now I can get in.
My heart is going bouncing
Why?
now. Yeah, I'm stressy.
He's gonna drive out.
Yeah,
so
okay.
That's cool. I already was scared, so I was like, have I to do this difficult movement for the first time?
I always show it last how you drive, because that's the most important.
Yeah.
The other things you can find out yourself.
Yeah, that's easy to find out, but driving is not actually something...
Exactly.
You don't hear the engine. Amazing.
That's...
It's very quiet.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. It's ninja mode.
Ninja mode.
Then to go back.
Can you see actually something on the screen
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
Because it's dark now. But
It's a little bit dark. But
yeah, but okay.
oh my god. We're driving backwards. Ooh.
So this is very handy, but always check your
Mirrors. Yeah.
Because it's dangerous. You're focused on this, and then you're not
Sometimes people coming from some places that you don't see, or a bike or anything.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then here you have the 360 mode on top.
Ah, okay. And the front camera also shows what to do. Actually.
Yeah, this is the front camera.
And how do you activate the cameras to see what you're doing? It's only when you're driving.
So if you put it in reverse, if you're parked, it goes out. If you put it now in drive, it won't go up. Only if you put it in reverse, it goes automatically in reverse. And if I put it back to drive, now it shows the front camera.
Okay.
If you want to go to the cameras with going to reverse, you push this button.
Yes. Okay.
And then you can select which
what you want to see.
Yeah, which view you want.
Okay.
But if you put it in the reverse, it goes automatically on. Yeah.
And then when you go and drive, it stays on, or it
stays
changes a little then?
It stays on, but goes back to the front camera. And when you go, I think above 20 kilometers,
then
something like that,
springs to the navigation, I guess.
To the navigation or to the radio or something.
And
is anyone there? Is somebody downstairs? What did I hear? Or is it just my fear? What am I doing? I don't even like you. I'm risking it all just because you're so gorgeous.